Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds Philips Fidelio T1 on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and then go to the search at the right bottom. Now, if you have iOS 26, you need to click at the search line at the bottom, if you have previous version at the top. Now you need to write Philips and search. Scroll down and you need to install the application what called Philips headphones. Now open it. Hello. Then check mark. Continue. We can close it. And we did it. In the next video I will show you how to add these earbuds to the application, so if you don't know how, you can check that video. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!